All right, well, this is our homework from Wednesday, day 2 of e-learning. Thank you to those of you who have submitted. That was awesome. Even those of you that submitted late, that's cool. Please make sure you submit by 3:15, 3:30. That way we can get some work done before we spend time with our own families. So now let's take a look. We had to find the distance between -7, -2, and 13, -23. Now I didn't want to draw a whole coordinate plane out, so I just drew the axes down here. We can just plot where they're kind of located. This first one, -7, -2, we go over -7 to the left, and then down -2, gives us a point right there. That's not exact, but it's pretty close. So we can say -7, -2. Then we have 13, -23. I'm going to go to the right 13 and then down -23. We'll call it right there, 13, comma, -23. Perfect. Now I want to find the distance between those 2 points. It's kind of hard to do because they aren't on a right angle, they're not horizontal or vertical, these are diagonal. So we have to make ourselves a triangle. Switch colors, I'm going to go triangle up, over. It's not the best in the world, but we'll do with what we can. And there's a right angle right there. So now I have to figure out what my 2 legs are. I know, looking at my x terms, -7, +13, that I'm -7 right here. So that's 7 from the axis, and then 13 from the axis. So that's a total of 20 units. And then when I go up or down, I'm going from -2 to -23. -2 to -23 would be a change of 21 units. So I'm going to redraw that triangle up here. I got 21 units, 20 units. Sorry, it's not to scale. And this is going to be my hypotenuse, which is C. Now I go into the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. A we'll call 20. B is 21. C we do not know. 20 squared, don't need a calculator for that. 400. 21 squared I kind of do. 21 squared, 441. Is equal to C squared. Add those up. 841 is C squared. Square root it. 841 square root. Oh, that one comes out nicely. C is equal to 29. Let's check it. 29. Very good. So yeah, I'm not for sure what some people might have done in order to get 32. Just looking at the units. I just hope nobody just added stuff together and magically got 32. Let's check out another one. All right, here's our next one. This is number 6 in your support work. So we have the distance between -13, -3.5, 17, comma 2. Plot the points, see it out. If you don't draw it out, it's kind of difficult to tell what the legs are going to be. -13, -3.5 is going to be right there. Then 17, 2, be over 17 and up to a triangle that kind of looks like that. So we've got a really long leg and a really short leg. It'd probably make it kind of difficult to walk. So let's try to find our leg distances. So to go from -13 to 17, that's a long ways. So we got -13 and 17. That's going to be a total of 30 units. And then to go from -3.5 to 2 puts us at 5.5 units. We have 5.5 and 30, and we don't know c. Now Pythagorean theorem, here we go. A squared, b squared, c squared. Plug them in. 30, 5.5, and the almighty c squared. Now we can do the math out. 900 plus 5.5 squared. What is that? 30.25 c squared. Add them up. Square root. Get that c by itself. So let's see what we get. Make sure you use that square root button. Makes your life a whole lot easier. You get 30.5. 30.5 units. I'm going to move the whole thing. No, it's not going to move for me. But underneath there it says 30.5 units. So I hope this was a little bit clearer for you guys. If you're still confused, please make sure to go back and watch the Big Ideas videos. Explore some stuff on Khan Academy, or reach out to Miss Nelson or myself. Hope you guys are doing well, and I will be talking to you guys soon.